Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and search by name on Zoosk. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you have to do, first of all, go ahead, access your browser on your mobile phone and go to home section and go to the search bar and simply type in site and then zoosk.com and the name of the profile that you want to access. So we will just type in the name Ashley, for example, and simply search it up. So what we'll do is this will simply lead you to you can see this 85 plus broken heart codes to prepare you for moving on, and it will show you this as random broken heart codes. It will simply provide you the name, the profiles that are listed with that particular name on Zoosk itself. You can go ahead, access them, and whichever one, make sure to enter the correct name, exact name, so you can get the particular profile or ID you want to reach out to, and you can reach them. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, y'all, and yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video.